Today is our final day in computer lab for this year. Some of you, if you're in 5th grade, it'll be your final day in computer lab in elementary school ever. So I have put together some end of the year choices. So you see here in the pink polka dot, you have end of the year choices. And when you click on that, it takes you to our choices page. So we have some things that we've gone to several times this year, like QuickDraw, Typing.com, Prodigy. Remember your login info is on the back of your card if you want to play that. SumDog, Tinker, which we did earlier in the year with some coding. I also put Scratch on there if you want to continue to work on that from this week. And then I also put a link to Game Up from Brain Pop. If you click on that, there are a lot of choices. If you want, you can narrow down if you want a certain subject. You can narrow down if you don't want the easy K through 3 games, or you don't want the harder 9 through 12 games. You can take those off. And then you have your choices here. So maybe you want balance or battleship number line. This is one that I've seen people play. So you click on it. And once it gets loaded up, then you should see play game. I have gone in and I have tried to set Flash where it should work on all computers. But if you get to a game and it's saying the Flash is messed up and it's not working, then let me know so that we can enable the Flash and get it to work. If you're done playing that, you can click back on the little game controller. And then it takes you back here, where you can pick on a game, or if you don't want it to look different when you go back, you can always just use your little back arrow, and that takes you back to the game finder that looks the same way as I originally had it. You can also just close that X from that tab to go back to where your other choices are. We are only doing the things that are on this list above the picture of the computer. If it's not on here, then don't even ask because the answer is already no. YouTube is not on here. If you do that, you will be sitting on the carpet and you will not have any end of the year choices. So have fun with your last day choices, but make sure you stay in your seat and we can't get too loud. A whisper voice among the people right beside you is all we need. We don't want to have to lock the computers and not get to play on our very last day.